This is our shot. After more than a year of loss and sacrifice, this is our chance to put this pandemic behind us.
These vaccines are powered by decades of research in sound science.
They are a gift from tens of thousands of diverse volunteers who tested their safety through months of clinical trials.
This is our shot.
Our shot.
Our shot.
This is our shot.
To protect each other and our community.
To restore normalcy and make a difference.
To protect our teachers and our students.
And essential workers who've been supporting us every day.
To safeguard our youngest and our oldest.
And those most vulnerable.
This is our shot, but only if we come together as a community and take it.